welcome to the vlog. So this morning, kind of just to recap you where we're at, brought home the 338GK, had some heating issues up in New York with our first purchase. Right now we're up here in beautiful coast, probably 10 miles from home. One of my favorite stretches of beach to actually walk the dog. It's pretty isolated. Summertime can get a little busy, but it's actually a lesser known beach, but it's actually one of the best places to bring the dog for a walk, especially in the spring, fall, and winter. So our goal today is really to organize the underbelly, maybe get some of the stuff put away for the kitchen, and open up the slides and kind of figure out how we want to decorate or organize some of the stuff that we have. And then we're trying to arrange some service time just so we can get either the new board replaced on the furnace or the sail switch. I'm not really sure what it is. I don't think they know either. We had a mobile tech speak to us, but we're anxious to get out there, most definitely. That's what we want to do. We want to use as much as possible. We've got a bunch of trips planned this year. One, we're going to the Adventure Bandits Glamp Out. We've got 4th of July weekend down in Cape Cod scheduled. We've got Margaritaville and Pigeon Forge already on the books. We got one of the best, supposedly one of the best resorts. Actually, it's a beautiful resort, but it's supposed to be one of the best resorts in the country. Normandy Farms in Massachusetts scheduled on the books. And then we've got Margaritaville down in Auburndale, Florida. And St. Augustine scheduled for the beginning of next winter, I think in December. So we're looking forward to that. And then plenty of more. So hoping to get this RV organized and kind of start to get our stuff in and get it decorated a little bit. Carol's got a lot of plans, and we're just really looking forward to it. It's tough in New England because the winters can be either mild or they can be really rough. So, we'll definitely, our first time out is typically around St. Patrick's Day. That's what we're looking to do. Like I said, right now I'm in one of my most favorite places here. This is probably about 10 miles from home. You probably can hear the waves crashing, but it's an absolutely gorgeous stretch of beach.
These are going to go underneath.
Still haven't found the magnets.
It hangs off the edge. Where's the water going? This way. Turn up.
Yeah.
Just turn it that way and plug it in. But I do need, that glass definitely did get broken. I didn't realize we had so much stuff.
All right. So, yeah, the chairs look better there, they're stacked.
Yeah, I just gotta figure out how to.
You just got to figure out our.
Just so weird, because the answer is not to throw it on. The answer is not to throw it on the couch. That's not the answer. Sorry.
All right. So, couple things about the camper that I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what we chose this camper for. So we've got a full couch that opens up to a bed. We've got theater seating. One of the biggest attractions to me is this this breakfast bar, which is really cool. We've got 2 GFI plugs there. We've got, I don't know, oh, underlighting. So we've got underlighting inside the breakfast bar, which is really cool. JBL sound system, which is awesome, and it sounds great. We've got the fireplace, 50-inch TV. If you look up here, we got plenty of cabinet space. Lower that. So plenty of cabinet space above the TV. And then moving over here above our couch, our fold-out couch, we've got plenty of cabinets there. These nice glass cabinets. We've got some pictures stored in there right now. And then we've got more cabinets there, which we've got some kids' games. This is a beautiful back window, which I am going to love. I'm just hoping we can get some nice waterfront campsites there. Got my Dottie there. Beautiful back window. That's going to be nice with some nice waterfront campsites. We've got wireless charging over here on the end tables. Got the lighting up above. That kind of shows you there. So right above the cabinets, you got some lighting. Again, 2 portable wireless charging stations in the armrests, which is nice. We've got heat, massage in the theater seating. The biggest thing for me would be having all the storage. Nice window out the side at the breakfast bar. These 2 bar stools actually come and get set up underneath the cabinet. Dining room table that flips out to extend a leaf, which is nice as well. 4 dining room chairs. We've got the lighting up above, which is really nice as well. Full residential fridge, as you can see there. Our coffee bar. Plenty of drawers in there. More cabinets. Nice little nook up there. Our wine rack. More cabinets up above here, which we've got a bunch of our stuff in here. We've got a residential microwave. I'm learning about it. I'm not used to seeing a microwave with a metal rack though, which is, I'm gonna have to learn about it a little bit. More cabinets. We're already starting to put some of our storage. We've got under the cabinet here, underneath the island, the breakfast island, we've got more storage space, which goes pretty deep in there. And then we got the drawers in the cabinets. all wood, which is nice. And then you got the garbage bins here. Actually, probably one's going to be garbage, one's going to end up being dog food. More on the cabinet in there. And then underneath there, we've got some pots and pans, storage. Like I said, residential fridge with ice maker. Our pantry, which we'll be able to fill up. It's good size. This is a lighted area up there. I don't know. Actually, accent lighting. Another nice window there. Stairs leading up to our bathroom. Plenty of space for us in here. That's the nice thing about this. I can sit back here and relax, watch the TV, catch up on all the YouTube. Hey, Daddy. Yeah. Then if I bring you back up here, we've got the bathroom here, which we have plenty of space. We've got in here, we've got a waste paper basket. We've got toilet paper storage, toilet paper roll. And then I keep doing that. And then we got this slide out cabinet. Nice slide out cabinet where we can keep our towels and different things. The shower with a skylight, looks plenty tall. Shower head. Medicine cabinet here. I've already added some storage there. Porcelain toilet. It's got two doors because right now I'm actually in the bedroom, which is kind of a mess, but I'll give you a tour of that as well. So, get back out of here. Let me open that slide up. All right, so let me open the slide out for the bedroom so you can kind of take a look at that. And then stepping into the bedroom, don't mind the mess. We have dimmer control lights, which is really nice. But got access to the bathroom. We've got 2 windows, headboard, a couple puck lights over the head area of the bedroom, large mirrored, not walk-in closet, but a full closet. Hanger, plenty of storage up here. This RV comes with washer and dryer hookup. So we've got kind of a mess going on in here, so we've got to clean this up, but plenty of storage in here as well. Watch out, Daddy. Still got our Adventure Bandits. We transferred from our Masquerade bash. Yeah, that's just starting the tour of that. Let me shut the lights off in here. Come on, Daddy. Head out. All right. Let me close this slide up real quick. Bringing that slide back in. So 2 air conditioners, one in the back, one in the front. As I mentioned, we have an issue with the heater, so there we go. So that slides in. Nice sink. Got 2 bay. We got the covers for them. All in all, it's exactly what we wanted. It gives us plenty of room for the dogs, plenty of room for the grandkids. We can flip this out. Kids, grandkids can come with us. And it gives us plenty of space. It feels like home. It looks like home to me. It's all set up for Wi-Fi, GFI outlets, and like I said, we'll start decorating. We actually ordered a runner for here that's going to come in this week, and we ordered a runner across here. We thought about getting a hassock with storage, but honestly, I think we're just going to see what we are dealing with and see what comes of it. But I wanted to give you a little more of a classic kind of walkthrough of what our new rig looks like. Really happy with it. I guess that's the fuse panel in there. Got the door handle. Like I said, one of the things that a couple of things I want to switch out. I'm going to put my fishing rod holders up in the front. I want to get a keyless entry lock door. I'm going to show you that in a second. If you have any thoughts and ideas about the keyless system that could work for this, I don't really want to change that bottom door handle, but I do want keyless entry. I also want keyless entry in the baggage area. That's one of my goals. I do want to add another solar panel as well. Maybe I'll do that by the spring, I'm not sure. But I also I really got to straighten up that underbelly, and I'll give you a look at that too. But this is home. Just can't wait to get to use it. Really looking forward to it. Hopefully the first trip will be in March. So this March we'll be trying to do our break-in. Hopefully the heater will be fixed by then. We'll have it decorated up, get to spend some time in it, get a campfire going. And then I'm really looking forward to June, where we can get together with the Adventure Bandits and the crew that gets together for the glamp out. Met some really great people there. RV Adventure Bandits is one of them, Jen and Juan, and then so many other content creators, Sucker Free RV, Locked In with the Wilsons, Gravely Train, and just so many. It's so much fun. That's kind of what got me started on this content. I love real content from real people, and I'm just looking forward to creating some of my own. Not for anything other than just to be a little creative, give me a creative outlet and have fun with it. So that's where we are. I'm gonna lock this up, close this up. We'll get you outside, take a look at the outdoor kitchen, and then also we'll take a look at the different storage options that we have here. And so the outdoor kitchen, we have mini fridge. We've got some drawer storage here. We've got the pull-out burner. It seems a little weird. That pulled out. So that needs a screw. So we found that needs that's got an issue, but we'll fix that. We've got lights outside. We've got a little rack that I put there. We've got more storage there. GFI outlets. Could put our TV out here, I guess. So So we have an awning over the slide out, which is nice. And we've got an 18-foot awning over the main area. So we've got two nice awnings. We've got our mess going on in here. Let me show you what that looks like. Tell you it's a mess. So we've got everything just thrown in there, but we've got to straighten this out. Oh my God, we got to make this right. But anyway, so yeah, so we've got plenty of storage in here. In this one, we've got, let's take a look. We've got our batteries. So we got two setups now. Goal down the road would be go with some lithium, but let's crawl before we run. Got my generator compartment there, which I don't have a generator in. I've got my solar setup in there. I've got solar controller, my hydraulics for my 6-point leveling system. In here I've got my other, actually here I got my propane tanks. Also, let me know, does anybody lock these things in? I don't know if that's safe to lock them, but. And then over here, I've got my pass-through. Actually, I ended up getting 250 amp cords. And then over here, I've got my wet bay. And I'm thinking of when I get Starlink, mounting my Starlink on the other side there, and bringing the wire through so I can run it down through this wet bay. But I don't know, we'll see. See what we got. Tankless water heater here. Everything's locked up. Tankless water heater. I've got my vents for my furnace that doesn't work. We are prepped for side cameras. So I am actually probably thinking of getting those. If anybody's using those, drop something down in the comments. I'd be interested to see if that's what you use. We've got the fresh tank that's under there. Loving system. We've got a rear hitch. I think it's set for several hundred pounds. We're going to put a bike rack in there. Got plenty of space for our logo there. But yeah, just taking a look at the RV one more time. Come on, Donnie. Got the road armor, pin box. I haven't had too many, I don't know much about them, but no issues coming home. We've got our port there for like a briefcase solar setup. Slam latches. And this is kind of the new rig. It's beautiful. Yeah, I'm excited about it. Can't wait to use it. Love all the windows. Spare tire underneath there. I think these are 16-inch wheels. I've already got my TPMS sensors, got the road armor there. Nice rims. 2 outdoor speakers, so we can be jamming. And that's it. That's the walkthrough. That's the new rig. I can't wait to get out there and use it. So like I said, if you have a solution for a keyless entry lock for this setup, for this door, drop it in the comments. I'd love to know about it. That's one of the things that I really want to change over to. And then I'll tackle the rest of these baggage compartments with some keyless, one step at a time. All right, so we'll leave you there.